So what's going on with y'all, man? It's been a pretty interesting week, man. A lot of things been going on in the world. There we go. Yeah, P Diddy got his house raided by the feds. That's crazy. I mean, we all seen that coming ever since that Cassie lawsuit. So that's that. What else happened? You had the Baltimore Bridge fall down today. Oh man, I forgot the guy's name. I forgot the name of the bridge, but I know the guy who they named the bridge after was a slave owning Democrat. So I mean, I guess I'm okay with it. What else happened? The Haiti Revolution is happening. I mean, it looks like 1804 all happening all over again right now. You know, with the leader of the tribe named Barbecue taking over the island. That's wild, man. That's wild. You know, I always heard that things happen in cycles, and it does look like what's happening in Haiti. It's happening. It's happened before. So that's something to watch out on, man. Something to watch out for. No, okay. So
You ain't allowed to come much farther.
okay, okay,
Hey, mister.
all right. He said I can't come. What if should I just blaze it out with him? Should I just blaze it out? I should just blaze it out, huh? What y'all think? I think I'm gonna just blaze it out. Yeah, fuck it. Why not? I got nothing else to do. Let's go. Now we'll just follow that joint.
This is
Yep. I'm gonna leave you.
want a pine box.
Oh, we got to just follow it now. Oh, we out here. Let it run. Just run alongside of it. Oh, no. Yeah, that's... Oh, man, that was a great idea. That's such a great idea. Such a great idea. Oh, that was such a great idea. Alright.
Yep.
Horse, just follow me. We out here. Yeah, we out of here. Oh shit, that's Popo. Hey, that's crazy that I just passed them off road like that and they didn't even investigate. I bet you back then those police officers were just people of the town that had no type of expertise in that field. Just like, Mama, I'm gonna be a detective. while chewing tobacco, looking stupid. 300. Oh shit.
Shit.
Yo, yo. I don't know if y'all seen my last video, but my horsing skills ain't that good, man. Yeah, we gotta park this joint.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. Shot it out with him. Got it done.
Yep.
Yeah, steal the wagon. I don't need the horses. Alright. What's next? Tell John back at camp that the wagon is in position. Okay. Where my horse at?
Not again.
Really? You that far? Man, what is going on? Yo, I love this game. It's so realistic. It's just so many different cliffs that you would never even knew was there.
Damn that horse.
That's wild. Oh no, that's a horse. Hey, hey, how you doing? How you doing? Turkey's Island? Come on. Just calm down, baby. Calm down.
Whoa there. Easy.
Don't kick me.
Whoa. Easy. Easy. It's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, you good.
Go easy, girl. Easy.
Yeah,
You're okay. Take it easy.
yeah.
You'll be all right.
Oh, Cap, this is an amazing
Good girl.
display of affection. The wild stallion
Good girl.
in the middle of the desert.
Step.
Let me get on you. Oh, yeah.
It's Arthur.
Good. You're back in one piece.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. We finally back at camp. Probably gonna meet John so we can go ahead and rob this train. Bro, stop looking at them hoes. I mean, them women.
You busy, Arthur?
No.
John.
Let's get on.
Good. And you?
Got everything we need.
Good.
Okay. Okay.
I think we need another man. Charles?
Let's take
Go
that.
get him.
Oh, yeah.
Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur? Ain't that dumb.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius.
Alright.
Hi, Arthur.
Oh,
Come here.
hell no. I'm trying to do the fucking mission. If you must.
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you
I wasn't
do
joking.
something with Jack? He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your preferred nursemaid?
Don't give me the
Because he
choice.
likes you, and well, you know his father's useless.
Don't give me the choice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dang. You know, they gave me the choice with Mary. They should have gave me the choice with Jack. I would have told Jack, man, you better go jack off or something, because I ain't got the time. I'm trying to go rob this train, nigga. Where is the suck ass nigga? He over here by himself. Man, Jack, get up.
What you up to?
Playing,
Anything
Playing what?
fun?
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
Fishing?
This nigga fishing.
Sure. You're... It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole then. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah.
I mean, you look, I can't punch no kid.
Lift you on when you're ready.
Here go your ass. I've been calling you for about 2 days now, and you over here strapped on. Who strapped you up?
Let's
Who
go,
strapped you
Uncle
up?
Arthur.
Wait for Jack. Shit, I'm out of here. Y'all, they ain't gonna let me use my controller. That's crazy. Get your whole ass on.
All right, hold on tight.
So, where
Yeah.
are we going?
We about to go
Just
on a
down
ride.
to the river near here. We shouldn't go too far from camp.
Oh, okay.
You feeling better? I know you was.
Yeah,
a
I'm off the
little
cliff
sick.
with it.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're a brave kid.
The one time I
Oh,
don't
just
want
like
my
you.
driving skills to be good.
I don't know about brave. I ain't much of a kid no more. So your mama might disagree. Her and a few other women, I guess.
What do you mean?
I'm just talking silly. It's been a tough few weeks up in that snow.
I like the snow.
Yes, but not like that.
When are we going back to the other camp?
The one near Blackwater?
Yeah.
Never.
Well, we're not. This is our spot. For now, anyway. Why?
I forgot a storybook there. We left so quick.
All right. This looks as good a spot as any.
Where should we stand?
Oh shit. I do got it.
Fishing sure is boring, Uncle Arthur.
You think so?
I know. Boring as hell.
Boy,
But then, something happens. And you can get food for days.
Really?
If you're lucky. But until then, you just sit and wait. Try not to worry.
nigga
good
give
for
you a
you.
fish, you got food for the day.
It's good for you?
If you know how to
Yes.
fish, you got food for life. You understand me, little nigga?
Something's tugging at your rod, Uncle Arthur.
Oh, I know.
There we go.
I got him.
Big one?
No. Get over here. Get over here.
What are you making there?
Get over here.
You'll see. It's a surprise.
You still all right over there?
I'm fine.
Just want to catch one more. Then we'll call it a day.
I got him. I got him. I got him. Yeah. 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 That's a bluegill, also called bream or copper nose. This oily, gritty fish is typically pan fried. I'm gonna fry your ass, alright. Yeah.
Hey, look at this.
And what?
What's that?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
It's beautiful,
What a
bro.
fine young man.
Oh, nigga, I got my strap
In
Hoosiers.
such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Nope. Julio Iglesias.
Yes. Arthur Morgan. Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. You've read the files. Typical case. Orphaned street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross.
Oh, you popo.
Pinkerton Detective Agency, seconded to the United States government. Nice to finally meet. We know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan.
Am I?
$5,000 for your head alone.
No, it can't be me.
$5,000
That's too
for
low.
me? Can I turn myself in?
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard a guy fitting his description robbed a train belonging to Leviticus Cornwall up near Granite Pass.
Oh, ain't that a little old-fashioned nowadays?
Apparently not. Listen. This is my offer, Mr. Morgan.
Okay.
Bring in Vanderlyn. You have my word you won't swing.
Oh, I ain't gonna swing anyways, Agent.
Milton.
You see, I haven't done anything wrong. Aside from not playing the games to your rules.
Spare me the philosophy lesson. I've already heard it from Mac Callender.
Matt Callender.
He was pretty shot up by the time I got to him. So really, it was more of a mercy killing. Slow, but merciful.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, do you?
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die. Savagely, all of you.
Oh, we're all gonna die, Agent.
Some of us sooner than others.
Yeah, you.
Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Get that weak ass gun out my face.
Enjoy your fishing, kid.
Oh, I
While
will.
you still can.
Ah, get out of here, Mr. Monopoly Man. I hate your hat.
Hey,
No one to worry about, no one at all. Come on, let's pick up your things and get home.
Yo, let's get up through. These niggas on us. They real. Where my horse at?
Jack. Your mother would be worried. Let's head back.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Hey, you better get on, Jack, because if my X button worked, nigga, I was gonna be up through. Let's go, Jack.
why did you lie about where Uncle Dutch is?
Because those are disagreeable men.
Nigga, we don't talk to
I don't
police.
want them to hurt him.
What did they mean about Mac? Is he in jail?
Nah, he ain't in jail.
No, I don't think so. I hope he's just fine where he is.
Boys in the
Like
upper
I said,
room.
don't worry about them. The world is full of disagreeable men. That's why you got all of us to protect you from folk like them. Now, how about that necklace you made? You still got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Did you like fishing?
It was okay, I think. It's a lot of waiting around.
It is.
There you are. How you boys getting on?
Great. We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Not the luckiest. Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need.
Nope,
We
he
had
didn't.
a good time.
Tell him to say thank you.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Thanks.
Yeah, you ain't snitch, so I guess we cool. You ain't open
We
your
got a
mouth.
problem. What? I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named Milton and I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Because I'm a real nigga.
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet.
Oh.
They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Now we can go to John now, so we can rob this train, even though we suspected of robbing trains. But we don't rob trains. But we need to meet up at a train. Alright. Alright. Where my fugazi ass horse at, man? This nigga be tripping, don't he? You know, this is much more a much more immersive type of video game. Like, it just makes you want to continue to play even after hours.
Keep clear, we got dangerous foreigner here.
Oh, por favor, necesito ayuda.
Let me see if I can let me see what they got. See what they got on this horse.
Idiot. Easy. Whoa. Well, at least it ain't your job.
Shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
Don't you scrap, Arthur. I'm just no good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yo, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, huh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
Anyway, Arthur, what's your problem with me? In fact, don't tell me. I already know. You're threatened by me.
Threatened by you.
Yeah, my youthful vigor. It intimidates you.
Does it?
It's a story as old as the hills. The changing of the guard, the fading of the light. You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future, in all its glory.
Yeah, well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall. Wake up, you lazy son.
Okay, bitch ass.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John, on the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am, and it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses, love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh
Train's
my,
due
I
through
Conor
tonight.
McGregor with me.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen, let's go earn some money.
Let's get it popping.
Yep.
Hey,
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You're going to wreck the wagon.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain.
You're a funny feller, John Marston. From what folks say, you had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about. They're left here, towards Rhodes.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something.
Oh, he's chicken talking.
For the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Plus, I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing him.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah,
takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean Maguire. And look at me now, in the gunner seat. Back in business, boys. You know, my dad always used to say...
Not the dog, please.
Not this again.
Hey, damn you three. Sulky, angry, scarface. A right barrel of laughs. So, we block the tracks with the wagon, then jumping. That's the plan.
Pretty much. Charles, you deal with the engineer. John, secure the passenger car fast, take charitable donations, and make sure everyone behaves. Little Mr. McGuire.
Oh, we about to get some bread now.
Stop the wagon over the tracks.
Oh, we about to get some
Remember,
bread.
these are innocent folks. We handle this right.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire. Ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
Yeah. Mask on. Mask on. I know that's not how the song goes, but who gives a shit? Me and my niggas in the cut with the bandanas on. We ain't never been in. Yeah, boy. Yeah, slow that train down, sucker. What?
What's going on here?
Hey, bruh.
What's going on?
What you mean? What's going on? Ooh.
Good. I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
Hey, go on, get on there. Faster. All yours, Captain. Go on ahead.
You got something on you? No. Alright, let's go. Hello. What's up? Oh.
Go. Everything you got.
This is a robbery. Alright.
There you go.
I'll take it.
Make this quick, people. Come
Get everything you got.
We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
Quel monde de sauvage. I ain't got nothing.
Wanna have a
You
little
sure?
chat with Romeo and
Nothing.
Juliet here?
Make me hurt you. What's the problem here?
Deal with these two, will you, Mr. M?
Hold on. I will.
Don't do it.
Once I get my own shit right
Come
here.
on. In the bag, everything you got. Keep it coming. Don't
Maybe
be
what
shy.
you got, mister. You
Thank
won't
you.
get her.
People like you make me sick.
Your mama make me sick.
Playing games.
Actually, she made my brother sick when she gave him STD.
Big problem.
Don't help me.
I want to count to 3.
Yeah, I ain't even gotta count to 3, nigga. Give me your shit.
It's better than that, lady. I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be over. Gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
Empty your pockets, mister, and you can be on your way.
You show this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here.
Oh, you ain't gotta tell me to. Yeah, here I come.
Brother, will you?
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Everything you got. Money, valuables.
Getting
We ain't
robbed.
leaving
Give me
till
your
this
shit.
bag's full.
Everything you got. Maybe what you got, mister.
Let me hand
You
you over
won't
to my
get her.
friend then.
Who?
Don't make me hurt you.
Who?
Come on.
Who?
Please, don't.
Yeah, who? I ain't even had to
Come on,
hit you.
cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything
Empty
you
your
got. Let's
pockets,
go.
mister, and you can be on your way. Getting robbed, mister. Give me everything you got.
What are you doing, Mr. M? Get up here.
Maybe what you got, mister. You won't get hurt.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Watch him, you big lout.
No. Why do this?
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There might be somebody in there. Got him. You ain't even got a trip. You ain't even got a trip. You ain't even got a trip. Oh. Okay.
Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up. Need some help here, boy?
You ain't even got a
I'll meet
trip.
your brother.
Oh, boy, you dead already. Boy, you dead already. Boy, you... Oh. Oh, shit. You know what? He hiding, so... I gotta get him right. I gotta get him right. Oh, boy, you lucky.
I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny. Oh, I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
I know, that's what's worrying me.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Austin, Smith, get ready.
Men come out the train now, do you hear?
Who the fuck you talking to?
Said you men come out now.
There's only two of you, you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more of them turning up.
Oh, that's it?
My big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
That's it?
Last chance. There. Unload on those sons of
Shit, we got more on the left. We got more coming from the trees there.
Ah, I missed it. Go.
Look out behind us! Coming in on horses!
I always take 2 shots to kill. 2 shot. 2 hit. Oh boy, you dead. Where you at?
Come on, boys, let's get the hell out of here!
Let's go. Stay with me. Yep.
Oh, I'm running towards him. Got a blast. Oh, they ain't catching me. It's a wrap. Oh, it's a wrap. Hit this way. Hit this way on here. Shit. My boys ain't even catching me.
Hey, you're okay, girl.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
There, girl.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a wrap.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a wrap. Yeah. Nigga, the law was just a wrap. It ain't the law, they just niggas with bad. Oh, no, right this way. Come on.
Move it.
We up though.
Glad to be rid of those fellas.
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take. Enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed
Yeah,
us
they
from
looking for
Blackwater?
Dutch.
Maybe. They
set
found me
that up.
already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can
Okay.
get something started there.
Good idea. Either
Bet.
way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Good
Of course
job,
not,
fellas.
boss.
All right, man. Y'all see what just happened. Y'all see we just robbed the train and got up through on the law. We gonna call it a night on this episode of Red Dead Redemption 2 review with Atlas Reviews. I really appreciate y'all. If y'all could really do this, please just like, subscribe, share. Send this to your brother. Send this to your cousin. If they like playing video games, or they just like a nigga, like to just watch a nigga play the video game, just send them me. Send it to them. Send it to them, baby. All right. See y'all next time.